What's going on, everyone? I hope you guys are having a beautiful day. I myself am feeling rather hype, and that is because the energy levels are going up, man. But that's tomorrow. I'm teaching a brand new class showing you how to do your first or next wholesale deal within the next 4 to 6 weeks. This is going to be a really fun call. It's going to be a little bit different. Here's why. First, I'm going to show you how I did my first wholesale deal, my first flip with no money. I didn't even spend a penny on this deal. Then I'm going to show you some other sources of free motivated seller leads. So we're going to look at some real stuff. We're going to look at deals I've done. We're going to look at deals that my students have done. It's not going to be any fake shit. I don't have any Lambos to rent, but we will look at HUD statements, documents, sources. You'll see wire transfers, all that good stuff. And I'm going to show you how to do your first deal, again, within 4 to 6 weeks, even if you don't have any money. If you do have some money, or when you start making some money, I'm going to show you where to allocate those funds and how to get some of the best deals and how to flip them as fast as possible. So we're talking like at least 5-figure checks every month per house. Going to be a really dope call. And here's the part I'm most excited about, okay? A lot of my previous trainings, like I kind of teach from a PowerPoint, and don't get me wrong, those are still dope. But I do have some slides to share, but I'm most excited. This sun is brutal. I'm most excited about this call being very, very interactive. So what I'm asking from you is to bring all of your questions, bring me a little bit of energy, bring your notes, because you want to be taking notes, and join me tomorrow. It's going to be Thursday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So to make sure you guarantee yourself a spot, like I said, you don't want to miss it, go to my website, wholesalingwithmike.info. Again, that's wholesalingwithmike.info. We're going to talk about a whole bunch of stuff I don't have time to mention here, but we'll talk about, I don't know, contracts, doing deals virtually without ever having to, see the property, meet the seller, meet the buyer, how to find cash buyers, different sources of deals, like all that good stuff. And then tons of your questions, man. I don't think I have anything to do tomorrow night, so I'm down to stay with you guys for as long as you need, man. It's going to be an invaluable call. So look forward to seeing you, 7 p.m. Wholesalingwithmike.info. I'll see you guys there.